Now in this case, we are going to compare the transactions that we have performed on binary search tree and AVL tree. Now as we said before, in binary search tree, when we are inserting nodes, there might be cases that this insertion causes disbalanced binary search tree. So this means that in this case, in this worst case, all nodes can be inserted to the left subtree or the right subtree. So in this case, the operations in the worst case performs different. So let's look at the operations one by one. So creating of a binary search tree and AVL tree are same. So in this case, we are just creating a root node and setting it to null. So that's why in both cases, the time complexity is O1. Now, whenever we are inserting a node, in the worst case, for binary search tree, it might be inserted at the right child or at the left child. In this case, it will take ON time complexity because we have to loop through all elements to find the convenient location in the right or left subtree. So that's why it will take all ON time complexity. Now in case of AVL tree, our tree is always balanced. So this means that we either insert a node to the left subtree or the right subtree. So this will take all again time complexity. So which means that insertion in an AVL tree performs better than binary search tree. Now the next case is traversing tree. So in both cases, we have to visit all elements of the binary search tree or AVL tree. So for both cases, it takes ON time complexity. Now when it comes to the searching for a node in a tree, in this case, in case of binary search tree, if our tree is not balanced, in this case it might take, in the worst case, ON time complexity, but for AVL tree, it will take always all again time complexity, because as we said before, our AVL tree is always balanced. So in this case, we will have nodes in the left subtree and the right subtree, so that's why it will take all again time complexity. Similarly, it's applicable for deletion of a node from the tree, because in this case, first we need to find out node, then we are deleting it. So whenever we are searching for a node in a binary search tree, in case the binary search tree is not balanced, it will take ON time complexity. Now in case of AVL tree is always balanced, so that's why it will take all again time complexity. So the last operation is deleting entire tree. So in both cases, we are just setting root node to null. So that's why both cases take O1 time complexity. Now, if we compare all these complexities over here, we can easily see that AVL tree performs better than binary search tree because AVL tree is always balanced. But in case of binary search tree, there might be cases that our tree becomes disbalanced. So in this case, our tree does not perform as it should be. So that's why rotation required in such cases. So if you are doing rotation, in this case, our tree becomes AVL tree. So AVL tree performs better than binary search tree. So with this, we have come to the end of this section. So in this section, we have discussed everything about AVL tree. So hopefully everything is clear about AVL trees. So see you in the next section.